Hey, Stephen Tamara, live in the Ozarks. It is July 27, 28, something like that. Water temperature is like crazy hot. I don't know what it is. I got to put the boat in the water. But
84, 85, something like that.
Easy. We've set 8 traps last night, and we said we'd do one video every month, so that's what we're going to go try to do. We're going to try to keep this one short and sweet, so come along with us. Let's have some fun. We'll see ya.
Heck yeah. Where do you want them? The only thing that's left is a little bit of the heads. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, got some big ones in there.
Holy buckets.
Look at that.
That's what I call some table rock crawdads right there. Oh yeah. Look, there ain't a bit of that bait left. Oh man. That is cool.
Okay.
Look at that.
Alright. There's some good sized ones in there.
20 in there. Yeah.
He's not the biggest.
No, he ain't the biggest, but pretty good indicator.
Yeah, look. He's bigger than my hand. Get him that close. That's crazy cool. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. That. Are you kidding me? Turn the motor off, would you? Wow.
We're buying some more of these traps, just so you know.
Oh my God, there's 30 in there, easy.
If not more, honey.
Look at that. That is what I call a full trap. June or July has been the best month by far.
Yeah, but I think the warmer.
We have never trapped.
There's your big boy.
Look at that. Look at that.
There's the pinchers on here.
Those are 4-inch pinchers all day long.
Easy. Maybe a little more. I don't know, maybe 4. Maybe. Hey, look at this guy.
Wow.
He's like, take my picture.
Right there.
Yeah, those are some big pinchers. There's a couple of big ones in. Look up.
All right, what's that? 4 down.
4 down.
4 down. And we got
4 to go.
And we got a cooler full. Now those were our best traps, so
No, we still have one more.
we got one more Snake River
And then we have the
little lake traps that are better for short soak. But anyway, sunset, so we gotta go.
Cheers.
Bam! Yeah. This is crazy.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, sucker's heavy.
Oh my God. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Another. Oh my God, they're nice too. Oh heck.
All right, we'll get you. Ate everything again. Man, they are hungry.
Look at that.
Hey, easy.
That's a table rock crawdad right there, dude. Oh, look at that.
Look out for your leg.
It don't get no
Hey,
better.
look out for your leg.
Oh, heck yeah.
Let's go, dude. Thank you.
We gotta put some more water in. That cooler's almost full, dude.
Okay.
having to put them in the live well.
Yep, we are.
Look at that.
Hold on, let me get some more water.
That cooler's an inch or two from the top.
Well, you gotta figure our limit's what, 300?
Mm-hmm.
I think we're gonna reach our limit, Steve.
Pretty close. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's cable rock crawdads right there.
Jacket. Ouch! Well, no. You stuck your hand in there.
Big body. Big body.
Big body, little claws. He probably lost some claws in a fight.
Yep.
They're pretty small.
He's not real big. He's not real big, but look at that. Table rock monster.
Look at this guy.
You got a big one.
Look at that one. Look at those claws. Yeah. Ouch! Sticking your hand in there again. Do it again, honey. It's so entertaining. Do it again. Do it again.
Look at the size of the body. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's a poser.
He's a poser.
That's a poser. Look at him. Oh, he's like, you ain't getting mine. You ain't getting me. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
We still have 5 more to go.
4 more, yeah.
4 or 5.
4. That's 3. This is 4. We have 8.
All right. Yeah, that's right. Because the other one's still at the bottom of the lake.
Oh, this stuff looking fun.
All right. Nothing. There is exactly a head left again.
Look at that. That cooler is full.
Yeah, this is gonna be rough, Steve.
Look at them. Come on, buggers. Push that one.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'm trying. He wants to hurt me. Hey, ah. Sorry. I got him.
Look at that. That is a full cooler.
That is the fullest I've ever seen it.
That is crazy. folks, we hope you had fun tagging along with us on that crawfishing video. You know, we caught a boatload and we had so many left over that we had to figure out something to do with the fish. So Mama T asked if we could make some crawfish bisque, and I'm gonna let her tell you a little bit about that and ask you if you want to see a video on that specifically. So
we took the leftover crawfish and we made a stock, which is absolutely fabulous if you've never made stock from crawfish. And then I made an extra creamy, yummy crawfish bisque. And if you're interested in seeing that, we did take some video and some pictures, but wanted to ask first before I put it up. So just let us know, leave us a comment and tell us what you think.
Cool. So, and we had probably over 100 tails in that crawfish bisque. And I'm not kidding you, man. I've eaten some of the nicest restaurants in the world, and you would have swore to God you were in a French restaurant. It was so good. Oh my God, she started with a roux. It was ridiculous. Anyway, if you want to see some of that, let us know. Thanks for tagging along. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Like I said, we've done one of these videos every month on crawfishing since like April, and this is July. Technically, we probably won't release this video until August. Yeah. But anyway, you know, I hope you've had fun tagging along with us, and if you do, like and subscribe. Whoops. We're down on the dock and we got neighbors jumping off the other dock.
And they're having a blast.
Anyway, hope you had fun, and just remember, love life and it will love you back. See you, man.
Hey, we almost forgot.
We're going to give away 2 Craster hats. We said this in a video, I think about a month ago, and we've got 80 subscribers. We said we'd give the hat away at 100 subscribers, and we are really close. So if you want a chance at winning that hat, subscribe to our channel and put subscribed in the comments below, and we will be sending that hat out, those hats out pretty dang quick.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna have a neutral person pick
the numbers, or pick the person,
pick the
or whatever.
person.
We'll figure that out. But anyway, thanks for tagging along. We love you. We appreciate your support. Get out there and have some fun in God's great outdoors. Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.